Hi there, students. Prospective, an adjective. Prospective, literally looking forward. So prospective is an adjective. It means potential, anticipated, likely, expected. So the prospective employees were waiting outside to be interviewed. Okay, so these were the candidates for the job. So prospective buyers came to the house to look at it. So these are the people who you would expect to buy it. Prospective parents, people who you expect to be parents soon. Maybe you see a pregnant woman and her husband. These are prospective parents. There are 3 prospective buyers looking at my car at the moment. So this is something that you expect to happen in the future. Any prospective students for the school are sent a prospectus. So a document explaining what will happen, what it's like. Her father always wanted to meet her prospective boyfriend. So possible, likely. This is something that is likely to happen. Notice retrospective, looking back in the past, but prospective, looking in the future, expecting to be this in the future. I would like to have a meeting to discuss prospective changes to the way we work. Potential, possible, probable, likely, in the future. So prospective is something that's going to happen in the future. Now be careful not to confuse prospective with perspective. The perspective is the way that you look at things, is your point of view. It's your way of considering things. From my perspective, this is a very good idea. From his perspective, from the way he sees it, from his standpoint, from his perspective, from his point of view, is very different. So, perspective. You describe someone who wants to be the thing that you've mentioned, who's likely to become. So be very nice to this guy because he's our prospective boss. He's the person who's liable to be chosen. I went into an interview with my prospective employers. Okay, potential, possible, to come. Yeah, I'm using perspective to talk about something that's likely to happen soon, something that's expected. It's coming soon. It's going to happen. So prospective parliamentary candidates were published in the newspaper. Prospective buyers should read all of the small details of the contract before signing. The estate agent escorted prospective buyers round the house. Before you employ someone, you should always check up on our prospective employees. There was an open day for prospective students to look round the university. The university welcomes inquiries from prospective students. Okay, so prospective. This is somebody who is it's probable they're going to do something. They're asking about it. Or, for example, what are your prospective earnings in the future? I know the salary is very low at the moment, but the prospective earnings are very good. I get prospective clients by advertising in the newspaper. This story is a warning to other prospective buyers of things like this. You should read the terms of the contract of the prospective deal before actually signing. So a prospective candidate, prospective earnings, the prospective number of people that are going to come to a conference. So prospective, I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something more formal. And then as to origin, okay, pro, looking forward in the future, and spicere, to look, to see. Or late Latin prospectivus, prospectus, the view. So, prospect, prospective.